am entering Skypark here in SM Seaside, Cebu. As you can see, this is one of the best places to see the view of Cebu. And as you go in, there's a lot of restaurants you can eat here on the Seaside Mall, SM Seaside Mall, Skypark area. There are a lot of restaurants you can choose from. But what I want to show you is the Rooftop Garden. I know I featured this before when I started my channel, but this is like the update of what's happening here. So you can see there the footage of the third bridge from Cordoba Mactan Island to Cebu City, or they call it the CCL Expressway, Cebu Cordoba Expressway Link, CCEL. Then you can see the two boats of the Super Cat. See from down there the SRP Road, the South Road properties, and then you can see the SM. This is the SM Seaside. But from there you can see a glimpse of Cebu. You can see it's not so hot today. It's quite hazy because it's been raining a lot lately at night. So this is the view from my little camera. So it's the same side that I'm standing here in SM Seaside, but I'm just using a different viewing camera of the little one, the DJI, so you can see it's a bit closer. Compared to the GoPro. So this is the Rooftop Garden of SM Seaside. There's the artwork, the amphitheater, fun and play, and the sky hall. So coming out there from the restaurants, you can see this water display, fountain, and the sitting area where people can sit down and relax, watching the view and feeling the air, the breeze from the sea. And as you go around here, this is the side garden in which the people are not allowed to go beyond this. Please keep off the landscape because the kids are mostly around here. The children are playing, and it's for safety reason that they're not allowing people to go beyond the lines. So they put plants to keep from people going on the back or on the line. So that's the extension of the SRP Road, going to the next mall, the new one, El Corso. But this is the view that you see from here. It's very windy, but the sea is very calm. And that's the SRP area. It's not much traffic yet because it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So these are the garden area in which people can sit down, and this is the view from here. Now I'll give you a tour around, because since I have featured here before, a lot of new peoples come to my channel. In fact, when I filmed this before, I just barely started, and now there's a lot of people interested to see what are the progress around here. So these are like the update. As you can see, there's the SM Tower. So the SM Tower will be open to the public soon, but there is no date given. So as of now, it just be opening soon. So we can't go in there, but we will just give you a general tour around of what you can see up here in SM Seaside. So you can see a woman there doing all the selfie. Just have a look on the top, see how it looks here. So you can still see the silhouette of Bohol Island up from here. Although, like I said, it's quite cloudy. And though that's the view at all, I should turn around. So when you come here in Cebu, this is one place that you can visit. You have to see the Seaside Mall Gardens. The actual Seaside Mall itself, because that's our biggest mall here in Cebu City. So that's the Cebu Ocean Park. And this is another area that they rent out, but most of it are empty. Not even one is there. Not most of it, all of it is empty. So you can see the surroundings around here. That's the houses of the people. And there's the other side of the garden. So to go to the other side of the park, you gotta go in. And like I said, this is the Sky Hall A and B, where the car shows and other shows are usually held. That's the Sky Hobby, and another group of restaurants up here for you to choose from. There's a beautiful dog there. And this is the other side of the hall, which is the garden. But on the back, a different view of the city. The mountain views differs here. And there's a lot of school children, teenagers playing. So that's our mountains now. You can see houses going up there. Subdivision being built on top. But basically it's still minimal compared to the empty mountains left on its own. The urbanization just concentrate more near the city than making it to the hills. Because you can see the hills, one or two just building there. And on this side, you're going further, seeing the view of the distance of the central Cebu. Like I said, we Filipinos love our selfies. But not all, including me. But generally love it. That's why you cannot avoid there are accidents caused by this. Selfies, people falling over, people getting run over. Because just every corner is a selfie corner. From this side, you can see be closer to the rail. There. And then you can see the footage of the bridge in a different angle. The third bridge that connects Cebu and Mactan. And of course the view of the city, and in front all the slums of the city as well. So I have to go in, start to rain, but I'm giving you the view. For people who will be coming here for the first time, you have a bird's eye view of SM Seaside, Cebu. And you can see there's still a lot of empty spaces, but you can see also the problem of the slums of the city.